Hi, I'm Skylar. Aperture has two different ways of storing your files. One is managed and the other is referenced. Managed files are stored in the Aperture library, whereas referenced files are stored elsewhere and then referred to by Aperture. There are advantages and disadvantages to both methods, and there's a web page you might want to check out which really goes into detail right here. So it's support.apple.com/kbph7625. The user guide also has a lot of information on this. But that aside, sometimes you may find that an image goes offline. And if it does, how do you fix that? Well, there could be a number of different reasons for that, but let's take a look at this. So this symbol right here denotes that I've got a referenced file. And I'm actually going to go through the process of relocating an original just so that you can see it. So we'll select our image, go to File, and Relocate Original. This is actually going to take a managed file out of the Aperture database and put it into a different folder. I'm going to put it in this directory called Photo. Okay, it's relocated, and now we see the same symbol on both these images. I'm going to go over to Finder and take a look at that folder I've got. So right here, Photo. Now, a typical scenario is that you might create a reference folder and then later store it on a disk. Well, this is a pretty interesting thing because Aperture, if I move this folder to, say, Pictures, Aperture figures that out, and you notice that these images don't go offline. It tracks that folder, so it knows where its reference files are. But if I, for example, open up a disk image and take those pictures and put them inside, and here I'm just simulating what one would do if you're putting it on an external hard drive. Okay, so now I've put that into what looks to the computer like an external disk, and I'm going to eject it. At this point, if I go back over to Aperture, I note that both the images are offline. So how do I tell Aperture where to find the file instead of where it's looking for the file? I'm going to mount the disk because that's usually the first problem. So if you've put a large number of photographs on an external hard drive, make sure it's plugged in and make sure you're looking in the right place. That's definitely tripped me up a few times. So here I am essentially plugging the disk in. I've got it there, and inside we see my folder with the photographs. In Aperture, I'm going to go to File and Locate Referenced Files. Make sure you select both these images. Locate reference files, and this dialog appears. So it shows me two files that are not found. But where are they, Aperture is asking. So here's my disk image, and here's the folder and the images. I'll click Reconnect All, and now Aperture knows exactly where those files are, and your references have been reconnected. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.